So today is another day and I'm going to do something different. It's been a while since I did a hair tutorial and that's what we're here for today. So if you watched my previous vlog, or if I've not also posted that video, you can go and watch it later. So I will be wearing this wig. This is the hair tutorial that we're going to do. As you guys can see, this hair looks very good. The baby hairs are so natural. This is the new and updated method, and you can get this hair at Royal Luxury Hair Extensions, and it's very beautiful. Anyway, we're going to see the end result of this hair, so don't go anywhere and let's do this process together. Dry my hair after using it to be spray and then I'm going to use it on the cool side, the blow dry. So now we're done. It's dry, and I do it like this nowadays. I don't just cut it like in the middle. Nowadays I just cut it from here so that I'm able to secure this as well. So I'm just going to put it like that at the back so that it's securing it up to here, and then it's tied. That's how it looks like at the back. And even if I still have to cut more, I will cut more depending on where the lace is going to fit. There we go. And we have the wig here. And we'll try to see if I need to trim a little bit more the cape on the inside. I think I'll trim a little bit here on the side because you can see it's showing, and I think on the other side too a little bit, but otherwise I don't know. So yeah, we're going to trim it a little bit more. So that's done. We'll try it again. Let's see if it's going to be better. Yes, this is perfect now. So now I'm going to use the glue, and this glue is going to be able to hold the hair like for as long as a week, 2 weeks. It just depends with how long I want to stay with the wig. And I'm just going to open it and put in the glue. It holds very well. The glue is also from Royal Luxury Hair Extensions. Yeah, and I'm just going to layer it on this. And now I'm going to take my powder, and I have a brush here, and I'm going to place the powder on the lace of the wig so that it mimics my skin color, because I'm not going to bleach the lace. It's already perfect. It's pre-plucked. There's not much to do, just to do this. And now I'm going to cut off the excess lace at the back and also the one on the front. It's so difficult for me to do it on the screen, but I'll try. And I'm also going to cut off the excess lace here, because unlike other people, I can't do it when it's on my head. I'm just going to follow the direction of the dots on the lace. It's not difficult, honestly. I'm just going to follow as close as I can to the baby hairs. And there we have it. I think I just need to add a little bit of the glue. So that it tightens the wig. In most cases you can also use a scarf if you don't have this, but I prefer this because it's much more elastic and it makes it tighter. And as I do that, because I want the wig to be as tight as possible, I want it to be able to push me for many days without me having to worry about the hair. And also, so now I think it's tight enough. Ooh, that's gone. Okay. And now I'm just going to style the wig. I'll be using the hair serum. And then mousse. I'll use the mousse as well. And for curly hair, if you really want to have like completely white look, it's recommended you use a bit of hair gel. I don't know if I'm going to use the gel today, but I think I'm not going to. And then we can style it. You can do a side part like this, or a mid part. Wow, this is so wow. bit of the mousse. Use the whole spray, which is like a spritz, like this. By the way, you can also use this if you don't have to. Just use the blow dry to dry the baby hairs. Let's see if they're dry, and if maybe not so much. This is really good. Honestly, I can even wear the hair without dividing it in the parts, in the middle or anywhere. You can just wear it like this. And if you also want, you can keep it made part like it came. I'm in love with these baby hairs, honestly speaking. I think I prefer without the parting. I'll put on my makeup and then we see the final look. I'm just going to use the hot comb. Darlings, the pressure is getting worse. My darlings, so if you're new here, my name is Kiki. If you're also a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this look from the beginning to the end, from my bald head to a hair and baby hair head. So stick around and don't go anywhere, and let me see you around. Darlings, I'm already done with my eyebrows, and I love doing them thick, sometimes thin, but this time I think I'm settling for the a little bit thick type of eyebrow. But I'm going to fix this real quick. It's going to be easy, and we'll just do the entire process, but I'll do it as quick as I can. If you wish to see my whole makeup routine, I have a couple of videos on my channel. You can just go and watch them, and then you can be able to tell if you like it or not. You know, it's up to you to choose whether you feel you like this method or the other method. You know what I mean? Like, you know, pick what you can and leave what you can. So this is how I like doing my brows. Sometimes I don't have like a specific method, honestly. I just go with the mood, with the mood, with the mood, with the mood, with the mood. Sometimes I like them even without the pencil, just brushing my own brows, because I have really thick brows myself. Honestly, I have really good eyebrows. I wish my hair was the same. Like, my hair gives me a lot of stress for nothing. That's why I shaved it, because girl, it was getting too much. Guys, do you see how the baby hairs are so nice and natural? I really love this method of the wig. It gives like that beautiful look effortlessly. So because I want to stay with my makeup the whole day, I'm just going to use setting powder before. So this is my banana powder, setting powder, and I'm going to use it on my T-zone, because mainly that's where I'm really oily, and some here a little bit, and here as well. I can also set my lips a little bit. Done. And then quickly I'm going to use my foundation. I'm using the MUA Pro Makeup Foundation. It's matte foundation. I love it. I've been looking for more. I'm not finding them. I think it's time to buy them maybe online. I used to buy them in a local store called Croatfart, but looks like they're not stocking it anymore, which I feel sad, because the last time I bought it there were so many, and I picked a few and they've lasted me almost 1 year by now. So going to use a wet sponge to just even out everything. A little bit of concealer, not so much. It's from MAC, and I'm just going to use this dark side for my nose contour. I'll take a different brush for here. I'm having a little bit of acne here on the side. It's that time of the month, so I don't bother because I know it'll be gone in a few days. It's none of my business. That's my body's business, and I'm not interested. I know I'll get better. I don't stress about these things anymore, honestly. So when that's done now, I'll take my Fenty powder and I'm going to tap it on my skin. I think I'll be settling for neutral color eyeshadows. It's fall season, so I'm here for fall colors as well. I could have as well used this one, but I feel today we'll just go for this. I got this from Shein, like, you know, when you buy things from Shein and sometimes you get like a gift, so I got to choose this, and honestly I love the pigmentation. So I even didn't know like Shein has makeup, you know. So I'll take this color. Because I want to do a nice crease. Take this brush. I take the white so that it gives it like a slight pigmentation, so I think we should try with this. I'm so scared, but let's just do it. I'm really scared, but let's do it. Maybe it's going to help. It's not so bad. We could actually mix it because I don't like it when it's too much. I think. Okay, it's good. Let's mix it. We do this. mascara on the eyes. I'll now use my brow gel because I want my brows natural looking. Now I'm going to use this as my highlighter. Usually it's like this from Chanel. I'm going to use, sorry guys, I'm going to use this. Now going to recycle my eyelashes from Royal Luxury Hair Extensions. You can wear them as many times as you can, and I just love the fact that they look so natural, like your own lashes, but in volume form. So these are what we're wearing today. I've put glue on my lashes, so I'm just waiting for them to become sticky, but in the meantime I'm going to draw my lip liner. Maybelline number 75. This is the one that I use most of the time. Pumping lip gloss, and if I tell you this one plumps your lips, I'm not joking. I actually bought it by mistake. When I bought it, I thought it was just a regular lip gloss, and as soon as I used it, I felt like, it's tingling a little bit, but the effects are good. It's time to remove this. Yesterday, remember when I did my baby hairs, I let them lay flat, but I woke up in the morning and changed my mind, and I thought, no, I actually like it like this, and I cannot help it. So and we're going to make these look hot. Let's do this. That's so beautiful, so gorgeous. Wow. Baby hairs. Baby hairs are babying. The babies are babying. If there's such a thing.